Yep, Buffett, Sanbonan Buffett. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook. Yeah, I support Orlando Pirates, but this guy has to be a midfielder of the season. Fact, this guy has been consistent for 5 years straight, Baba. For 5 years straight. You know what surprises me is something else, Buffett. Go and check the age of Marcelo Allende and come back check the age of my youngster while in South Africa and tell me if bekune South African elidlala midfield as Marcelo Allende ngaba likawini player of this midfielder of the season. Mina I don't understand ukuthi ubani lona ovotela abantu ama midfielder of the season or ukuvota umuntu ophethe PSL. I don't understand. This guy ufike la mfethu ana 21 or ana 20 somewhere lapho. But besingaboni ukuthi uyintwana mncane. Most of ama Sundowns teammates wakhe amdala kuye. If you can go and look age group yakhe ku Pirates or Chiefs, you'll find out ukuthi umjita udlula umfukeng nga 2 years. 2 years. Akusiyinto ecool 2 years. But if he was South African, ngabe si scream ukuthi he's a youngster. He's a youngster on a promising future. Yo. Only to find out ukuthi youngster e South Africa sithi umuntu youngster azabe na 27 simbiza nge youngster. Hamba ubheka bomdusha balala. Una 10 years ayi youngster. Nothing to show. Nothing to offer. Marcelo Allende mfethu you deserve the midfielder of the season. Yazi ama critics can make you grow. Remember, Junior Kanya was saying Marcelo Allende always plays ama backward pass, sideways pass, not forward and akascore. After that Buffett, I think after hlala ebenchini ku Sundowns, remember besikahlala ebenchini Marcelo Allende. Ingcondo ivukile yathi bazoyithatha indawo. But ama player wala eSouth Africa awa improve noma ungalibeka ebenchini al improve. Danko.